It broke in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 pieces. As soon as I touched the fuel filter, I broke it off. I got a replacement for that, and we're gonna install that right now. And the weird thing with the fuel pump is that the intake is actually connected to the outtake. Something there tells me that it's broken. So we're gonna see if it still works, and otherwise we will install a new one. Let's get that off and see what happens if we power it. It sounds like it's working. I don't understand why it was taken out, but if I see this, it should be good. So, since the pump works perfectly, I want to install the pump back and I want to install the new fuel filter as well.